Wackaroni. Wackaroni. Can you hear me? He's been saying Gyllenhaal like Gyllenhaal this entire time. I'm not even sure that he realizes he's been doing it wrong. He even knew that that was not the proper pronunciation. Wackaroni, can you hear me? Wackaroni, can you hear me, Wackaroni? He's been pronouncing Gyllenhaal wrong this entire time. I'm pretty sure he even knew that it was pronounced Gyllenhaal and not Gyllenhaal, and yet he still did it. Put 8 more minutes back, and let's send him back in. Send him back. Recharge the source code and send him back in. Wackaroni, Wackaroni. Can you hear me? Can you hear me?